Today, without Beshta, we came to Honk-Fest. We're going to try using Galnash.
Friends, assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today we came with you to the city of Shali in the Chechen Republic, to a place where several tons of wild garlic will be prepared today. It's all because the Wild Garlic Festival, Honk-Fest 2024, is happening right now. They've set up a small fair here, where the districts where wild garlic grows are represented. These are the Tumkalinsky district, Shatoysky district, Cernovodsky, and another district. Let's check everything together as we go, okay? Here, there will be a small concert here today. And there are a lot of different dishes that include wild garlic. Let's take a look and have a good time. We came to visit the Itumkali district.
Itumkali is the highest mountainous district in the Chechen Republic.
Is it tasty, huh?
Very tasty.
Let's try this masterpiece now. Is this store-bought kefir? Today we're gonna make the unofficial top user Galnash. These are the first candidates among the districts. For now, in first place. Let's record it. Now let's pay a visit to the Shatoysky district. Let's see what they've prepared. Perhaps you should film how they make pies with wild garlic in the Shatoysky district.
Two pieces, please. One more. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is the oldest one.
For animals?
Yes, but why exactly?
And what do they make from it?
You can make porridge.
Really?
Yes. Do you know what with? There's this dried one. Dried. We should try it.
But where can we try it? Where can we try it?
Well, you'll take it with you. And that's why you cook the porridge first, and then you prepare it.
That's too complicated a plan.
Well, yes, of course. How could we do without that?
Is there no ready one here? We're watching the channel now. You'll watch it later.
I feel like you're right here. Yeah, you've been this way for a while now.
One of the first, when the channel. When Volny was expelled from the university and started doing this activity.
No matter how many years passed, never once.
Such a diverse range of content, right? All of it works.
Interesting. Where to?
If anything, Korchaluyevskoye settlement.
We'll be there soon. Now you will see the most epic thing. The preparation of wild garlic in the maximum quantity. Hey, hey, hey. Wipe your mouth.
Help yourself.
This is just the beginning.
Can I get a photo with you? I'm a follower.
Yes, of course.
Yes. How you film Keda? Well, her family. That's all, thanks. Good luck. Thank you so much. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Besides food and wild garlic, there are also a lot of different wooden items here. Handmade works. You can likely buy them here. We'll check now. On this table, every item is kind of made out of matches.
And who made all of this?
And the creator was your creator?
Vesta, we wanted a hat. And how much time does it take for one person to do this?
Well, how much time did this one take specifically?
$9,477.
Can you believe matches are made of matches?
Yeah, none of this is for sale anyway, so let's get out of here.
Of all today's events, of course, there's a contest in other municipal districts. It's a contest for the most hospitable district.
The festival's grand opening.
We don't make it in time, just as everything's freshly cooked. We come in, and it's already all gone. It's frustrating. We can't taste everything everywhere. Everything's cold and already taken. Let's move on. happens when you ask for a little wild garlic. Let's try it now. Is this your tent?
Yes.
Well, it wasn't ready at the main serving.
Behind the scenes.
There were corn ones, so now like we switch. First we sell the corn ones, then the wheat ones, and so on.
There's a lot of stuff, Manti too.
That's all. How many of you are there? And this is so people don't have to wait for our contests, our evaluations.
The jury will go in there too.
We and our sisters and mothers made 1,000 of them over the past 2 days. 1,000 of them. Exactly, Galuri. 1,500 from corn flour, 500 from wheat flour.
Yes, 1,000 Galuri.
Kefir is kind of a combination. That's why it's kefir. Only quality.
Yeah, that's the level. There will be another concert, right?
Yeah, the concert, then something interesting, an ensemble, something interesting.
A contest among cats and kittens.
Maybe glasses. There will be a glasses show.
You have a nice place here. I came with the local company.
Thank you, we'll be waiting.
Look over here. Yes, look at the camera.
If we can make it through this line, we'll try freshly roasted honk right now.
I can see right.
Try it. Sedum already found wild garlic here. It's easy to find.
It's not fully cooked, it's undercooked.
Not a culinary masterpiece?
Of course.
Not at all like what we cooked, right?
That's for sure.
It's just kind of...
Well, it's tasty.
It's undercooked. They didn't even cook it 50% through. Well, they do everything in a rush here, so they're in a hurry. There are a lot of people. Hungry people, that's why she prepared ahead. Oh, that's already the second Ukrainian dumpling you're eating?
Thank you so much.
Did you just drop by?
This is worth it. In my personal opinion, they make the best food here.
My coat, of course.
Is this Leo or Leova? Beautiful.
The sun came out instantly, lifting people's mood. You see how many... There's kind of a crowd of people here. The one who came doesn't leave here until the event is over. I feel like I completely smell of wild garlic, and I like it. That's why we gathered here. What else can be said about this event? People are having fun, socializing, and in every tent there are some mini concerts, as they say in Chechnya, such dances. In short, people are dancing. That's it. Basically, that's all. If anything interesting happens, we'll definitely film it. Thanks to our cameraman. God bless him for coming with us today, and...
It's nice to hear kind words. It's nice to hear words like that.